Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing this PS5 that I got from Walmart. So, and the good thing about it, Walmart puts some extra stuff in the box, like cables and games. Let's see what it is. Let's go. Alright guys, I paid $770 for this PlayStation at Walmart website. So let's see all the accessories that come with it. So right here we have a GTA 5. Look at this. They make sure you have a game. As soon as you got the PlayStation, you can just start having fun. Oh, look at this, guys. I'm also getting this little box. It's a PS5 charging cable Type-C. Wow, 10 feet, 3.0. So you only get extra stuff when you get it from Walmart website. So I believe if you buy this from the original website, official website, so you only get the PlayStation itself. So if you buy it through Walmart, you're gonna get extra stuff like the game and this Type-C charging cable 10 feet. So just amazing. Now let's take a look at this baby, guys. It's time for it. Let's see. So right here we have the paperwork. Let's put it on the side. More paperwork. On the side we have the power cord and the controller. Wow, it's heavy though. Okay, look at this, guys. Look this little baby. Wow, yo, it feels so good on my hands. I love it. Type-C and all that. So I really love the way it feels on my hands. Okay, let's continue boxing this PlayStation. What is this? What is this stuff right here? Okay, I believe this is the base to put the PlayStation on top of it. Here we have some more cables. This is a HDMI cable, and this one is a Type-C cable, USB to Type-C. Let's continue taking out these little boxes out of the big box. So right here we have what we are looking for, guys, the PS5. And we finally got the bad boy out of the box. Let's put it really gentle on the table. Take this away. Oh, wow, it's a huge PlayStation though. It's a huge one. It's really heavy. Yo, I didn't expect this PlayStation was so big, but it looks good though. As you can see, the details, I actually like it black and white. It's pretty heavy. You have to put it somewhere, you know, that kids don't reach it, guys. Okay guys, on the back we are having the power connection, HDMI cable, Ethernet cable, USB connection and USB connection. At the front we are getting right here a Type-C connection, USB, power button, and the other button to take out the CD. Guys, as you can see, you can put CD on this PlayStation. So there's another one that you only can download games. On this one you can do both, but I think we are talking too much, guys, because we already saw the CD right here. So on this one you can download games or use CD, whatever you want. Either way is good. Now it's time to hook it up to my TV and start playing. Let's go. Alright guys, everything is already set up and wow, it looks so nice. This is driving me crazy. The video quality, guys, is just another level. It feels so good. The controller, when you start playing, you start vibrating, and that's my favorite part. I really love when you are playing and the controller start moving itself. It feels so real. And let me say it one more time, guys, the game quality is just amazing. It doesn't look like a game, it looks like a real movie. I'm gonna enjoy this a lot. And before I forget, guys, the long cable, the 10 feet cable that came with the PS5, it's a cable that you can use to connect your controller to your PS5, so you can be far away from your PS5 and play at the same time in case your controller battery is draining or something. So you can just hook up the controller to your PS5 far away, boom, and start playing, because the cord that comes with the PlayStation is too short. Okay, so they already know that. That's why they include that in the box. I highly recommend this PlayStation, so you can get it from Walmart. I paid $770. You saw everything that came with it. Came with the GTA 5, but you can see different actions at the website. So if you don't want that game to come with the PlayStation, you can choose another game It's really nice. I was trying to get it from Amazon, but on Amazon you have to apply for them to decide when you can buy it. And guys, that's it for today. If you got any question about this PS5, just let me know. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, drop a like, and see you in my next video.